Lot 2412B, 1997 SEA DOO GTX. It's got a 787 800 engine in it. I'll plug the key in. Alright, gauge. $111.2 hours on the gauge, 111.2 hours on the jet ski. We are tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off this machine. Our name is Martos Motorsports, located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. This is a freshwater jet ski, never seen salt, so corrosion issues will not be a problem. All these parts will be listed on eBay also. The engine is currently locked up, will be tore down into parts. Thanks for stopping by.